So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a prop to a character. So the first thing you need to do is give your character some animation, give it a bit of motion, and I'm using the fantastic Stanley packs here, which are really good, and I highly recommend getting them. So put your motion on your character, and I'm just going to make the timeline the same duration as the motion, so that's 111 frames. So just type in 111 here. Okay. So we'll just loop that. We'll have a little run through, see what it looks like, and that's all good. So the next thing you want to do is bring in your prop. So I'm going to bring in a little trophy. So I'm going to drag and drop that onto the stage mode. Like that. And I'll just bring the scale down a bit. That'll do. So I'm just going to give that a little playthrough. And you'll see that the prop isn't moving with the character. So what you need to do on that is you need to go up to link at the top here. Click on that. And then you'll see the skeleton, and then you'll just link the prop to the skeleton. So I'm just going to link it to the hand, and then we'll play that through, and there you go. You'll see that it's now linked to the character, but it's kind of rotating in the wrong way. So if you open up your timeline and your trophy prop, and then you can just transform the rotation. So I'm just going to bring that around a little bit like that. And then go back, and on the transform line you can see a keyframe, so you can see that it's now rotating to the keyframe. Let's go forward a little bit just to see where the motion should change. So there, I'm just going to turn it around a little bit more. Let's go forward a little bit. There you go, because his arm's now stretched out, so we'll twist the trophy around a bit more. Okay, and you get the idea on this. So I'm just transforming the trophy, the rotation of the trophy anyhow, so it kind of matches the motion. And then he brings his arm down again. So go forward and rotate that round. Rotates a little bit too much there. Let's delete that keyframe, and then rotate the trophy again, and then rotate it a little bit more. Let's move the keyframes a little bit. I mean, you can fine tune this. It's just a little example of how you do this. Let's play that through. And there you go, that's now linked to your character. So the next thing to do is just bring in a background. I'm just going to bring in this background that I got from FreePick. Put it in the background, give it a little playthrough. And there you go, that's your scene done. So that's the scene done. I'm just going to put in a basic light as well. Drop that in there. Let's make it a bit bigger. Just so it looks like he's on a football pitch. Play the motion through. Just play it through again. Then when you're happy with that, just go to render video. I'm just going to make it 1080. Like that. Oops, so I can find it. There you go. And then click export. Save, give it a file name. And then all done.